So it's Tuesday today. Yesterday I finished up all those orders that I was doing, made it to the post office on time, and today I'm working on some more orders. So I had some orders for some decorations. It's so cold today. So the little leopard skin one, velvet leopard skin, and this vintage fabric decoration. So I'm getting both of them packed. I have these lovely little gift bags to put them in. Yeah, so I'm going to get them packed now, and then I have another order to make, which was a made to order, so I'll be making a collar for that. Hopefully get that made and sent today as well. So that's kind of the main plan for today, to get through those two kind of things. So yeah, I'll film what I can. I'll show you what the decorations look like just before I pack them away. Obviously coffee first. Okay. Here are the decorations, and then in with them I put these things that just have my Instagram, and that'll go in with the gift bag. So yeah, they look quite sweet when they're packed up. And anyone that's ordering like more than one thing, I'll pack it individually because they're probably gifts. So yeah. I'm also probably going to film like a little reel of me packing these up too. So it's kind of like doing two jobs at once. So I think I'll be doing that as I pack, just so that I can edit a little reel after. I'll try and put you down there so you can see a little bit of what I'm doing. So what I'm going to do is just start off with video. So video. And then I usually put my phone. I've got my phone here. I usually put that just to the side. Okay, so that is both of them packed there. I'm just filming then with my phone. And then I'll just flip them that way and get a cute shot there like that too. Okay, so that is both of them packed, and I will get them all ready to send now. Hey guys, it's Tuesday. Oh, I'll just turn off Reno when I'm chatting. So it's Tuesday today. It is a little while later since I vlogged before. So I've done 2 markets so far. I've got another one next Sunday, and then my friend who I did the pop-up with last year in Bray is doing one Saturday. I don't know if I'm going to be there, but I'm getting stuff ready to hand in to her. So I just need to run around to the post office with an order, get that sent as soon as possible, because this time of year is absolutely crazy for post. And then I'll show you, I suppose, when I come back, and the stuff I've been getting ready for the market and for Bray. So yeah, let's go to the post office first. Cool.
Lovely holiday.
Okay, so I'm back from the post office and I'm just finishing getting stuff organised, so let me show you. First I worked on these for the pop-up. These are all upcycled fabrics. I think they're really cute, so I've made one that looks like that. Then I have one that looks like this, and then one that has, if it squeezes on there, so it doesn't have a bow tie front, it has like a button close. And then I did my tags and just a little bit about each piece. So I made 3, so I'm going to give them to finders keepers. I made 4 altogether. I'm giving 3 to finders keepers. One here, I've got another one cut a table here, so I'll make that, and then that's another, so I'll have 2 of them, which I'll probably put online. That's a task for another day. So here is all the stuff I've been prepping for markets. I got these little baskets that are similar to the ones I spent a fortune on, but these are from Primark, and a fraction of the cost, but they're still really good to have like spare ones to do markets, I think, other than like, because otherwise I take stuff out of them and it gets messy. So yeah, this is better. So I've gone through all my art prints and giving 2 of each of them, and then 2 of each of these notebooks. These are all like pieces from a good few years ago that I still have, so it's like the last of that stock, I suppose. Then we've got art prints and different types of ones. These are all from Textile Designs when I used to work as a print designer and like fabric print designer, so that's them. And then I have these ones which are from this year, and they're the stars and the hearts. Again, it just has a little bit about that they're handmade. I'll show you the heart one. It's the heart. Cool, so that is going to finders keepers. The stuff I'm getting ready to go to the market on Sunday, and these are the rest of the decorations that I think I'm going to give into Omdiva. The 2 colours of these actually match really well with the colour of the collection, the new collection, so I think they look quite nice under the rail. Tomorrow I'll finish getting this stuff ready and drop it in as soon as possible. Yeah, so that's pretty much me done for the day in the studio. I'm gonna get the train out to Bray, I think now, with all that stuff for Saturday, and then tomorrow I'll come in, I will get everything ready for Omdiva, and make that other collar, I'd say, and then see what more time I have after that. So that's it for today, and I will catch you tomorrow probably.